New district court judges are also competing for your vote in Spokane County. The court files more than 62,000 cases a year and impacts numerous lives. You told us accountability in the criminal justice system is important to you. Here's who's running for district court judge position 3. Jenny Zappone is currently a senior deputy prosecuting attorney. Eric Dooyema is the current district court commissioner. Esther Bauer tells us what they want to bring to the bench.
I'm here in district court where domestic violence victims, traffic infractions, and misdemeanor crimes all come before a judge. It's a unique court, and two candidates say they're the best to be a new judge.
District court is the front porch of our criminal justice system. This is the place that most people in our community are going to interact with.
The most serious cases we see in district court are driving under the influence, or your DUI cases, and your domestic violence cases. So it makes sense that we would treat those people a little bit differently.
Jenny Zappone has worked for a decade in the county prosecutor's office, saying community safety is key to her campaign.
What I'm hearing in their community is that they feel that there's no respect for the law and there's no accountability.
Eric Dooyema is already working closely with the current district judges as court commissioner. He says his job wouldn't change much, but still needs to run in the election.
Right now, there is no funding for the commissioner position in 2023. So really, to keep the job I have, I need to run for judge.
They both tell me they'd like to see a special court created for domestic violence victims and a more need-based approach to probation.
Let's work with these organizations to hopefully create a probation system that helps reduce recidivism, which helps reduce people coming back through our system. So it's all about community safety, and that's my theme for this election.
We want our probation department to focus on the people that need their help the most, the folks that are most likely to reoffend. Those are generally the people that need the most help and the most resources.
Zappone says allocating resources to these lower-level crimes can go a long way to reducing criminal activity.
Let's intervene early. Let's get treatment. Let's get that constant supervision so that this doesn't escalate and create more victims in our community.
Dooyema also says accountability is important to curb crime.
That accountability and that relationship that those folks kind of garner with the court and with probation, it really goes a long way.
These candidates are running pretty close in this election. Public disclosure records show Zappone's raised over $68,000. Dooyema is just short of that, raising over $66,000. Head on over to KXLY.com to see a full list of who's running to become a new county judge. Esther Bauer, 4 News Now.